Today I want to talk about the Miyoo Mini Plus. I've been talking about the Anbernic RG35XX Plus. I've been talking about the RG35XX SP. I know it's been a lot of new information, and every week Anbernic release a new console and it's hard for us to keep up. So I decided to make a video talking about the Miyoo Mini Plus, which is my opinion is a great console too. To be honest, I had the first experience with this retro handhelds with the Miyoo Mini. Actually, it was like the Miyoo Mini V2. This is the Miyoo Mini Plus. So it's also a great device, and I want to show you guys another different option if you wanted to start on this portable handheld environment. So let's start the unboxing, but I'm gonna be honest, I already opened this box. Everything to make a good video for you guys. So this is the Miyoo Mini Plus. This is the Miyoo Mini Plus. Mine, as you guys already know, I already said this in the channel, I love transparent devices, and I like colors, you know, like the blue, I like the purple, I also like, I know, black, but I love transparent devices. So this is my Miyoo Mini Plus. This is the purple one. As you can see, I love the fact that we can see the battery, we can see the main board, we can see all the electronic parts. I love that fact. So this is the device. So what else do we have in the box? User manual, like instructions. It comes with a screen protector, and of course we have this is the micro SD card to USB, so it's adapter, and also we have the USB-C to A in order to charge this device. So let's turn this on. One thing before I turn this on, look, it's really similar to the Anbernic RG35XX Plus, right? You see it's really similar. The difference, like a small difference about the size, as you can see, but it's really similar, okay? But we're gonna talk about the specs and everything. But in the Anbernic, when we do this, I hope you guys can listen to this noise, like it's this buttons right here makes some noise, like. And when we do the same thing in the Miyoo, it's almost no noise. But this in fact shows that the Miyoo Mini Plus, it has a better construction, in my opinion, of course. So let's see, let's turn this on. I already put a custom firmware here, so probably I'm using the Onion OS. This is the version 4.2.3. This Miyoo Mini Plus, it has Wi-Fi, so you can connect to the Wi-Fi. As you can see, it's connected to my Wi-Fi network. Unfortunately, we cannot connect any outside device as a controller because it doesn't have Bluetooth. It's a bad thing. It would be nice because we could connect a controller if we want, but it's impossible to do here. We don't have any output like HDMI, so you are stuck in play on the portable mode. So as you can see, let's see the games that we have. Arcade, Super Nintendo, Game Boy Advance, Game Boy Color, Game Gear, Genesis, the Famicom, Neo Geo CD, PlayStation 1, Pico 8, Super Nintendo, Sega 32X, Sega CD, Virtual Boy. I know that you can install more emulators here. Probably is here somewhere. Let me see if I can find this here. So we can install more emulators of different devices. I just configured the ones that I played the most. But if you wanted to turn this on, you can install different emulators for you. As you can see, I'm not using all the emulators available on the device, but this is a good thing that you can do. There's a lot of options if you want to play different ones. You can see here that we have the Verify. They also have some apps that you can install as well, like display calibration, a clock, some expert menu, gallery, game switcher, some of the things that if you want to try, it's available for you to try, but I didn't. So we have the expert things, like you can see some of the things here, a lot of different things that you can also install on your device. But believe me guys, when I have one of these consoles, I just want to play, have fun as quick as possible. In the case for this device, I installed the Onion OS because I know the Onion OS is really good, and this is not a hard job to do. But besides that, it's really simple. I like to play my games and really simple things. So let's make a gameplay so you can see the quality of the image. I have some of my PlayStation 1 games here. Let's go with the Tekken 3. Let's start. So I'm gonna show a little bit of gameplay. As you can see, runs really smooth. Oh, perfect. Yeah. Runs really good. Just one more. Oh. Let's try. It's too small to make all the combinations that we want to do, but I can have fun. I can have fun for a while here. I have no problem. Of course, it's not something that... Oh, good. So you're gonna spend like 5 hours or 3 hours playing here, but that's nice. Let me show you guys another thing. So I'm gonna go to this quick resume menu that I have here. So for example, if I click on Gran Turismo, the game will resume the way it was. Like I was playing this last week, I think, and I can keep playing from where I stop. As you can see, like I just click here, then I can play. You can see again, like smooth. Then I pause, and then I press this button, and then it's gonna save the state of my gameplay, like a quick resume. And then, for example, let me go back to the Marvel vs. Capcom. So I was playing another day, so Marvel vs. Capcom, and here I am. So I pause, and then I can play like again. Here we go again, and then as you can see, really nice. So I just click with the quick resume button. It's really nice. It's a nice feature. Otherwise, you can play like any other games that you want. So as you can see, you can put the game cover here. Of course, it requires a little bit of patience because you have to go on the PC. Sometimes you can look for a specific software in order to have everything like really pretty. As you can see, it's not all of my games that I have all the cover, all the box. But it's really good. It's also really good. It's a really good device. It's a different option from the Anbernic. And as I said before in other videos, like it's of course it's a competitor with the Anbernic. But for the Miyoo, you will have a great OS using the Onion OS. So you're gonna have the quick resume, which is a great feature. And everything runs really smooth here. You have a good quality of image on the display, but you're gonna lose in the fact that you don't gonna have the Bluetooth or any output HDMI connection. There's also, I like the design and the way it was constructed here. Guys, one thing that I forgot to mention is that the Miyoo Mini Plus cannot run Dreamcast or PSP games, okay? On the other hand, if you have the option with the Anbernic, you will also have a great device. You will have HDMI output and Bluetooth, so you can connect on your TV and with any Bluetooth controller and have fun on the TV. So it's different, I know. For one point of view, you're gonna have more features with the Anbernic. I need to be honest and say that the Miyoo Mini Plus is also a great deal. if you are looking for a different perspective. Both devices are really good, both devices are great, but it's good when we have competition on the market so we can have more options to choose and decide what is the one who's give us the best experience. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, click on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys next time.